Some people tend to react unnecessarily to criticism. Trying to respond to every criticism means being on the defensive all the time. However, over-explaining is another point to be aware of. Finding yourself constantly on the defensive by going into unnecessary details can make it harder for people to understand you. Constantly seeking the approval of others is also a negative behavior. Basing your own worth solely on the opinions of others can create a constant feeling of dissatisfaction and undermine your self-esteem. Likewise, having a hard time saying no can have a tiring effect on people. Saying yes to things you don't want to be shameful can cross your personal boundaries and lead to unhappiness over time. Unnecessary modesty is also an issue that needs attention. Trying to belittle or dismiss your own achievements can prevent others from taking you seriously. Complaining can also be a common behavior, but being in a constant complaining mode can negatively affect both you and those around you. Your body language is also an important part of communication. Walking with your shoulders down and hunched or walking around with a sullen face can send a negative message to others. Not being able to make eye contact can also make communication difficult. It's important to cultivate this, as eye contact is an important way to build trust and a sense of connection. The tone of voice is also effective in communication. Speaking in a low voice can be perceived as a lack of confidence and may prevent the clear understanding of the message to be conveyed. Likewise, always being in a rush can negatively affect communication. A rush that seems to be late undermines other people's trust in you and can lead to misunderstandings. Finally, taking everything personally is also a negative thought pattern. Perceiving any feedback or event as an attack on yourself makes healthy communication difficult and can lead to unnecessary tension.